for your freedom.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. We open the new DStv Premiership season with a very exciting game. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune 1 in the DStv Premiership on a Friday evening. Penalty goal and then a goal on debut by Lucas Ribeiro. And then Jamie Webber with a very good free kick for Sekhukhune. Almost equalized in the last minutes. Really, 2 red cards on either side. Rivaldo Kutsia with a deserved red card retaliation, and Umncube with a deserved red card, a very, very dangerous tackle. Junior Khanye, analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just.
Benedict Sophie.
Is it so and so?
Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. It's okay. Say iDiskiTV. Fighting no one, try to fix South African football.
Yes, sir.
Very good game, Fit.
Yes.
First game, my team are breaking intensity. Both teams complement, especially the level of fitness, both coaches, technical team are both side. It didn't show with the precision. It's first games, let me put it that way.
First games after preseason.
Yes, I'm trying to say that. And it's more fourth of 8 games, 6, 7, or maybe 8, 9, 10. The way being a intensity approach, yes, Sekhukhune good game, approach game, Jobang Shilo. Approach this game by telling themselves we're gonna wait for Sundowns. Back 4, I think Jimang, Ukadoso, Nikomobi, and Tiantia. Also, Kamkhelom coach, but Lalanga 4, Bebaning on the good, you're gonna wait for Sundown. The reason I'm saying this beginning nervousness. Plan Wateka, good game, first half. I don't think the coach made a plan attack. He had a plan to defend against Sundowns. Okay, we're gonna plan, even if it goes to 0-0, it's fine. Ngoba manga cheka, ipek 4, beat my petty pola. Bafunu Kamkhela Zavile, and then where's number 10? Ubano dala attacking midfielder la ukuze lifike kulomjitalo up front ozovi ene nalomjitalo makwana naye uncube lizofika kanjani ibhola whereby ukamkhelo every time makaphethe ibhola Sundowns there's 3 players ku Sundowns, so iyenze Sundowns kube very easy ngoba Sundowns tactically asiyenza so isystem yabo babona ukuthi badlala 3-4-3 when they don't have a ball. Mabaphethe ibhola approaching this game, they attack with so many players. Movement of the ball, it was something else. I think kule game Sundowns, they came in the new season a different approach. Front 3 Sundowns ngiyaqala ukuyibona quick kanje mina. And knowing Sundowns the meaning yaziyo when they attack bebangadlali in most big transition bebakwazi ukumela build nebuye mhlambe shape yeni team and then get build up slowly and then man break. But now upeki goal number 2 yabo Mshishi was behind Ribeiro nalomfana Maseko. They've got front 3 Ribeiro. I think once it's settled, sizobona something else here, yabo, because nkuleko into engithande ngabo umkwena they didn't have a defensive midfield game namhlanje badlale nga 3 at the back. Ulomchite Moroccan Lebusa, also Rivaldo Kutse. But to Rivaldo bekangena la middle. Mkena e wide, ga right or ga left. Magaye ga left. No, alende driftela ga right. Mshishi come nearer. And magaza nearer Ribeiro ngena slightly inside, coming from the right. Na ushalulile baba ichula, it becomes a problem. Umdiba had so many ball. I think he plan ga rulan ukuthi sothola Umdiba. And when you got the ball, into engibone ngabo namhlanje mali yaphambili ball it doesn't come back because fake boxing, and nalomchita lo Ribeiro irrespective ukuthi bekame kanjani it takes somebody on bengiqala nomshishi ngibona thatha somebody on Sundowns lengiyaziyo everybody was passing. Movement of the ball into the sounds good to catch up. We know identity about they move the ball very well, but fluid. And nobody want to take somebody else. Today in Monelo to Ribeiro, I think Urulanu emphasizes we need agents up front. And the interventions did exactly that. And first half, I think they dominated very well. Azangba created much chance, but they should have buried the game, especially first half. Because it can be by putting his hands up. In the middle, it was Sundowns against Begumkwena Alende Mshishi against Ukamkhelo coach. Him alone. And I can't talk up front because he coaches Sekhukhune told those players to come with Babengapi Afini Abonke. We understand, and they didn't have a number. Even if they go, you goalkeeper pump ball up front or have the ball from behind the defense, everybody is next to him. So it's Sundowns second half. What they did, I think he coached by eliminating now Ribeiro. Sundowns is bunzima because Sekhukhune second half they believe after scoring the goal. Everybody now look lively. You understand? Because after the goal, Weber, wonke umuntu besekafuna ukudlalela afine Sundowns. And Sundowns now bazenzele bunzima. They start going back. I love Sundowns how they play. They play a style of play South Africans should play, but it's different namhlanje bebane agents, especially up front. Ribeiro no Maseko Magangena Tapeli did very well. Begu balance on side to you. But now, mau eliminate Ribeiro. It's Sundowns what they did now, but Alamanja build up. And then, but Kali Ipola is starting Uronen start Ipola with Double Rivaldo. Man Naboli Busa, man figure in the middle, we'll get the pack, and then it's more or less a game management. Go one call it, my Cholis Sekhukhune, they believe good Sky Cholis second goal. And credit to them, but we the game is Sekhukhune, especially second half after getting the goal. It's Sundowns they start now with Babe Bapieni, but if we class and fit to go down, we need to be honest, Skumanga champions now. Because to keep it consistent is not easy. Everybody want to beat you. That's why this team had believe after scoring the goal, be by Agibo. So Sundowns second half, coach. I mean, I believe Mushish Begmela eliminate. Begmela me Ribeiro. Nangapo Maseko, Masai to each you, more balance. Shall they leave him? There. Mshambe Mawens is up, we enter in the middle, keep Mushishu Faguneo. I think they came here with over balance in terms of Mobi game management by Kon, good by Jens, by Yenza, Papa Funga Pambil, by Kon.
So, I need to ask you about these new players. Just before I let you go, we saw Mendieta for a few minutes. We saw Tapelo Maseko, it was good. We saw Lucas Ribeiro, it was good as well. What is your impression of those new players, the Sundowns?
Yeah, Tapelo Maseko, Yabona Mosani player, it is a suited style of play. I think the Super Sport was more limited. Limiter. That is a wing pack. I take care of you understand? And now it's more bum passer. I think the guy Moroccan is playing more left when they defend. Yes, Sekhukhune. So they caught a big fish. Good person to them. When my element of surprises, unpredictable. Nangalegule Yangwenya Ribeiro. Brazilian and South African is more or less the same. It's just that in the middle you can't take somebody on. Mara, I believe Lapa. Mela setlila ngeke abe compose kanje ngabe quality ngasi quality compose beki goal alkorilo kuba compose omunye umuntu ngayibona ngathi simple anto omunye bekolibamba first time alballoon compose and then finish and ebheka le athi both them pressing uma uThapelo press uKhadoso uThapelo and play him ngale ukuthi babe up front ngale speed sabo inqedile so both of them good signing uRibeiro noThapelo Maseko Mendieta ukuthi ungena isikhathi esincane but quality but ngifuna ukubona kuSundowns usekhila kanjani but I mean naye udlala ngale ndlela is so skillful so comfortable on the ball umbonile bangena kaluzanga ibhola match so masigning wabo hayi quality kakhulu.
There you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Sekhukhune in the first game of the season in the DSTV Premiership. Of course, remember that Mamelodi Sundowns are on the way to defending their DSTV Premiership title. There's never in our history a team that has won the DSTV Premiership 7 times in a row. So Sundowns are looking for a record-extending number of wins in the DSTV Premiership. We shall see, of course, whether or not they'll be able to extend that. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting.